Don't know how well you guys can hear me. We got the fan in the background for the dyno running, but we're out here. Papini's Garage grand opening, dyno day. They got a Shelby GT on right now, and we'll see what it makes. About to do the first hit. So winner by default because he's the only one.
Oh no, we have to get the car off and see what happened. Well, the clutch is slipping anyways. Very slow.
I think it touched less on the way down than it did on the way up. Oh, never mind. Spoke too soon.
It's already jacked up.
God, it makes a horrid noise though.
Crank?
754?
Yeah, because I can get crank horsepower too.
Oh wow.
So
So basically it takes like the
yeah, it takes a
power loss from the... I like your mouse pad.
Yeah, it's nice.
Anybody else?
Well, after an unfortunate event that occurred.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah.
Nothing.
Welcome to our grand opening. It's supposed to be a dyno day, but well, things happen. We got one hit. We wouldn't be here without my family, especially my mom, you know, my brother, and the support of my best friends, and my friends, and the car community. And the previous employments that I've been through, like all the jobs that me and my brother have gone through to experience to lead us to this point today. It takes very hard work and dedication to do what you want to do, and anybody can achieve the dream if you can put your heart to it. So I welcome you to my shop, and welcome to Papini's Garage. Thank you guys for your support.
Those didn't work at all. You just got yourself worse than anything.
Just like the dyno.
Too soon.
Oh, fuck, I got your speech. It's alright, they hit us back right up.
Nice.
I literally just
Congratulations.
Hey,
Thank you. Jesse.
Yeah.
We'll change it to a two-step contest.
two-step contest.
Oh, I got a car for that. I got a car for two-step then.
Me too. Anybody got a decimal meter?
Hey, wait.
Shit.
So Dalton, you want to explain what happened here? Dalton, you want to tell? You want to say? You want to explain what happened?
Oh! Oh!
Oh, and look at that! We got David the GTA.
GTA, bro.
Hurry up! Lock the door. Close it.
You can see he does his look at the black mark on the side. It's torn apart.
I've done this. Yeah, well, I mean, look at the door. It's been broken into before.
Jesus. So it just decided to start raining now. So now we had a dyno break and start raining. But it's still pretty cool. Right, Panda?